Hi, I'm Keisha. I took part in the Great Backyard Bird Count. I had to count the number of birds that I saw at my bird feeder on different days. I need to analyze the data and include the summary in a report. The first thing I did was make a dot plot of the results. For the data set displayed in the dot plot, find the 5-number summary of the data. Remember that the important numbers in the 5-number summary are the minimum and maximum, the median, or Q sub 2, and the first and third quartiles, or the medians of the upper and lower halves of the dataset. The minimum for this dataset is 16. There were 16 birds of 2 different species. All the other species had a greater number of birds. The maximum is 24. Remember that the median is the middle number. In this case, that is 18. The first quartile, or Q sub 1, is 17. Remember, this is the middle number of the first half of the data from 16 to 18. The third quartile, or Q sub 3, is 19. Remember, this is the middle of the second half of the data from 18 to 24. Let's see which measure of center would be better to describe the data. The dot plot is skewed right. This will pull the mean to the right of the median. The median is not affected by a few very large or very small values. The median would be a better measure of center to describe the data. Now I need to find the range and the interquartile range. The range is the difference between the minimum value and the maximum value. The range is 24 minus 16, or 8. The IQR, or interquartile range, is the difference between Q sub 3 and Q sub 1. That is 19 minus 17, or 2. Now I need to decide if the interquartile range or the range should be used to describe the spread of data. Most of the data values are clustered close to the median. The maximum value of 24 significantly affects the range, but not the interquartile range. For these reasons, I would use the interquartile range to describe the spread of the data. Wow! I had lots of interesting data about the number of birds I saw at my bird feeders. I think I will do the Great American Bird Count again next year. I had better go fill up my bird feeders.